certain picture I received this morning I wanted to share. It motivated me. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. One of the biggest reasons people never achieve their dreams is because they think they are not ready. They tell themselves they need more knowledge, more skills, more confidence before they begin. But the truth is, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. No one is ever truly ready. Every expert was once a beginner. Every successful person started before they felt prepared. The difference between those who succeed and those who don't is simple. They take action even when they don't feel ready. Think about it. How do you gain experience? By doing. How do you build confidence? By taking action. How do you improve? By starting and learning along the way. Waiting for the perfect moment is just another way of procrastinating. The best way to learn is by trying, failing, adjusting, and trying again. Every mistake is a lesson. Every setback is a part of the process. So whatever goal you have, start today. Take the first step, even if it's small. Don't let the fear of imperfection hold you back. Progress is more important than perfection. Progress is more important than perfection. The sooner you start, the sooner you grow. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. Now I'm the way TikTok speaking. I'm not perfect. I'm just starting because I was not ready today. I haven't started my cardio. I haven't chased. I haven't cut my hair, but I started taking a video. I was not ready. You don't have to be perfect. You just have to start. If you want to be an actor, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to take the phone practice of act. But for my rapper, you don't have to be perfect. Just you start. That's the part. Start every goat. By goat, I mean the greatest of all time. Every great person started somewhere. You just have to start. But for my you have to start. But for my farmer, kodwa wazinto kakhulu ibuhlakula ibususinca nje ibususinca umuntu kuthiwa niphethe umhlaba awazinto but always sasicela hayi man fanele ngifune fanele confidence kanti ufuna endleleni yabo nami le way le journey of self improvement andiyazi kakhulu but sayifuna endleleni nami nabe nikhona ngibona. You will experience my journey from being and nothing to a something, and from something to being and everything. That will happen no matter what. And I need to improve my English. I really need to improve my English. You're gonna see I'm not perfect at English, but I'm starting to speak English because I want my message to reach globally. I'm not thinking locally, I'm not thinking provincially, I'm not thinking country, I'm not thinking continental, I'm thinking global. So yeah, I don't have to be perfect. I just started. I'm not perfect. I started. You also don't have to be perfect. Started. If you think about the TikToks, I can make a phone when they are about. That's it, man. That's it. Before I leave, man, come and share. Come and share. Dango.